In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a website on HubSpot in a simple and quick way, even if you have no coding experience. First, log into your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the content option in the top menu and click on it to see the page creation tools. Next, click on website pages or landing pages, depending on the type of page you want to create. After that, click the Create button to start building your website or page. HubSpot will show several ready-made templates that you can choose from to make the process easier. Select a template that matches your website style and continue. Then, you can edit the page using the visual editor by adding text, images, buttons, and other sections according to your needs. You can click on page elements to change the content, adjust colors, and customize the layout easily. You can also add contact forms to collect visitor information on your website. When you finish editing, click the Publish button to make your website live on the internet. After publishing, your website will be available through a link that you can share with others. And that's it. Now you know how to create a website on HubSpot easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.